Hey Samuel, so this is how it looks for me, and when I see it my way, I go to this percentage here and I click on it, and then the Turnitin's originality report comes up, and then I click on this paper icon here, and then I click on 26 again. 26 is the percentage of what you've turned in that Turnitin found elsewhere, and it found it at this site, and it you say, like, why would what I wrote get matched to a student paper? Well, sometimes it's hard to know, but probably this student used bits of whatever you use, and I can't quite tell what you used. It looks like maybe you just didn't. I don't know. You should have put some stuff in quotation marks. When it's spotty like this, it's sort of borderline plagiarism, but technically, 3 words in a row from the original source is plagiarism. And when you have 3 words, or here you have 4 words, and then 3 words not, and then 1 word, and then 1 word not, and then 2 words, and then 2 words not, and then 6 words, then that's plagiarism. I if I just saw 3 words and nothing more, I wouldn't worry. But when I see it sort of spotty like that, let me try to show you how you check it. Go to student view and go to grades. So you go down to the assignment that you want to check, and you should always check your plagiarism report when you turn in a summary or part of an essay or an essay. This is the little flag here that shows you that there is a report. I'm going to go to this one here, and to get to it, you can't click on the flag, but you click on the title, and then you can click on the flag here. And that's how you get to the report. This is something that didn't have any. So anyway, that's how it works. Let me know if you have any questions.